Well, well, well. What do we have here? Principal of the year? Ugh, her face makes me sick. But I can fix that. Now her outside matches her inside. Artistic genius over here. Haha, who's in charge now, huh? Brilliant! I've done it again.
Done what again? That's not funny, okay? She doesn't deserve that. Oh no, hear that? She's coming! The principal!
I'm not the one with ink on my hands.
Oh no, this is bad.
Haha, wait, my hands are covered in ink too. I didn't think this through. Now what?
The lockers, now! She's coming! Come on, please. Get in.
Get in?
Don't question it. Move! Ever hear of ladies first?
Close it!
I smell trouble. My portrait? Who would do such a thing? Ugh, those rotten kids. Huh? That's odd. They didn't lock their stuff? These kids never learn.
Spider! Gross!
It's just cobwebs. Relax.
What is this place?
Pretty spacious, right?
I guess. Oh, is that a mouse? Help me!
A mouse? Seriously?
It's got teeth and stuff. Whatever.
Get it together. Cobwebs don't scare me. Get out of here. So many of them. Yuck.
What are you doing over there? Cleaning isn't the worst idea. In fact, I'll do more than clean. Ever hear of thinking outside the box and dirt? This place has some potential, I think.
Hey! Do you mind? I still have work to do. This should be the last of it. Oh, didn't see this piece. Is it stuck? I can't believe it. Just look.
You call that art?
It's me and the team.
I hate it here.
I love it. Hey, what's this? A memory box? No harm in a little snooping. What's in here? Whoa, jackpot! Just look at all this.
Huh? What the?
Sorry. Check it out. Noodles, my favorite. Smells ready. These things are cooked. Woohoo! Chopsticks, get in there. Just look at that steam.
You and your noodles.
Actually, I have a better idea. I love noodles so much, I'm taking things to the next level. Boom! Noodle explosion! Haha! I'll need bigger chopsticks though. How's that for wall art? You like?
That's crazy. And so unfair. What about me? Is it raining in here? Oh man, a storm's coming. Which isn't bad news. I love a good disaster. Just watch and learn, people. Shall we play a little game? I just need you a little closer. Haha! Yep, a little more. A little bit more. There, these clouds are pretty sick. Dark and gloomy is so my vibe. Unlike you. Hey, you smell that? Uh-oh, that's a little ripe. Yikes. Oh, thanks. Hold on, I got it. Yeah, jealous?
Kinda.
No peeking, okay? Wait, this is your color.
Yep.
Ooh, not this one. Too cheerful. Gross.
Hey, watch where you throw this stuff.
Don't be so dramatic. I've got the perfect solution.
Wait, I have an idea. This t-shirt is about to get a major glow up. Okay, perfect. See how it's a square now? Get rid of the scraps and move it on over here. Now we have to attach them. Good thing I paid attention in sewing class. In we go. This is gonna be awesome. Just a few more stitches. Okay, there. I did it, see? It's the perfect bedspread. I even made a pillow to match. You like? Super cozy. I love it. What do you think?
Huh? Oh, good job.
Okay.
Forget your weird patchwork. This is way more me. I may be dark, but I like to get cuddly too. Huh, what?
Nothing. I just want to add this. It's cute. According to me, at least.
Oh, I'll do you one better. Ta-da! That's much better.
Things are really coming together.
Just stick to your side, okay?
Not a problem, Jinu. I've got stuff to do over here, anyway.
Yeah, whatever, Rumi. Hey, come here for a sec.
What? You want this? Fine.
Got it. Thanks. And just like that, sort of celestial, don't you think? Goes great in here.
How'd you do that?
There's more. Look.
Wow, I could use something like that. Oh no, it's all broken. Bummer.
We can't all be as talented as me.
I guess. What about all this stuff? Things are looking up. I love all the colors. Just look how they flow in the wind. Like magic. Look, cool, right?
Not too bad. Oh, I need a rug. Really warms up the place. See?
A rug? Is there one under here? Or just a bunch of old cardboard? It's so cold and empty in here.
That's too bad. You know what? I'm not all bad. This should warm you up.
That's so nice. Maybe he does care.
Don't get used to it.
I know just what to do. When in doubt, braid it out. This will give things great texture. Just a few more to go. Just like doing my hair in the morning. There, we've got a braid, people. A big one. And just like that, it's a luxurious rug. Fantastic. So cushy, too. Impressed? It's just what I needed.
Yeah, obviously.
Hey, the sun is setting. It's nighttime already? Goodbye, light, and hello, darkness.
Yikes, I'll handle this. There!
Yeah?
Hello? Lights?
It's not working.
I can't feel my palms.
Anyway.
Let me think. We need light? Then I'll get us some light. Package incoming. Down here. Come on. Got it. Just wait.
Is it good?
I'd say so.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Hey, you take it.
Really? Thanks. It'll go perfect by the bed. I could watch those stars for hours. And I will.
My pleasure. And I have one too. Just look how mesmerizing. Wait, that's it. Well?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Especially my side.
Mine too, Rumi.
It's so me.
And so is this.
It's just perfect.
You can say that again.
Nice work.
Ditto.
Wait, down here. A bunch of toys.
Let's see them.
It's an old school picture. But who is it?
Looks familiar. Oh my gosh. She's a lot younger, but it's her.
What?
She wears glasses now. It's the principal! Can you see it now?
This is her old stuff.
Oh no, she's counting! I gotta find somewhere to hide! What? No, this is a terrible spot! What am I thinking? Maybe over here instead? Ugh, like this monstera's gonna hide me. Okay, what about back here? Behind the coat rack? This is so tiny. What is my problem? Wait! Over there! I think that's it! Dash! Okay, I think this'll work. She's still counting. What the heck is that glow under the table? Where is she? I really thought I'd be able to see her. This is really the only place she could have hidden. Where'd she go? What are you doing? You're on my side? Whatever.
There are no sides. What are you gonna do about it? No sides, huh? I'll show you what I plan to do about it. You see this? Yeah, that's right. This is tape. Which means now I'm using it to separate the space. Which means you can stay on your own side instead of hogging everything. Are you kidding me with this right now? You're being such a brat! No, you are! Take this! Wait. What just happened? Are we in a new room? How did we get here? I think that's my side. Let's switch, okay? We're still in this new place. Wow, there's a lot of stuff on this table. Oh, we're supposed to decorate. Out of my way! I've gotta decorate! I need all of this. And this stuff, too. Yeah, well, I need this stuff for my space. Books! Get over here with me, books. You too, candles. Okay, this alarm clock can sit on the books like this. A clock here and a clock down here, too. Kind of a lot of clocks. Oh, I absolutely love all these pictures. So cute and pretty. Butterflies and elephant over here. I'll put this little bucket candle right here, I think. Hey, what the heck? That shouldn't be there. Maybe I'll just come over here and move it a bit. Just give it a little nudge in this direction. Oops, too bad. It fell onto the floor. Let's see. Hey, wait a second. Where did that candle go? Oh, no way. She totally knocked that off. I know she did. Well, if that's how she wants to play, then okay. Let's play. Huh? What was that? Where's that ball going? I better follow it. Okay, quick. While she's distracted. Gotta do this. Nudge. 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 Okay, back to my side. Huh? Hey, what happened to all my little plants? They're all on my bed and off their shelves? This is suspicious. What are you looking at? I'm keeping my eye on you. Stay on your side. Ugh, these lights are totally tangled. Frustrating. Maybe if I just tug it this way? Or right here? Oh! Ugh. Great. Now I'm all tangled too. Yeah, laugh it up. It's real funny. Don't even think about it. Ah! Oh! Ouch, that hurt. Huh? The pillow! No way. That pillow belongs to me! Not if I get to it first! Get off me, lights! I saw it first! It belongs to me! No way! I've got it! Let go, it's mine! Just give it up already! It's my pillow, not yours! Ugh, why are you so strong? You're like a gorilla or something! Ah! No! Pillow! We totally ripped it in half! I don't know. This movie doesn't seem all that scary to me. No! So creepy! I'm so scared! Come on, we gotta hide! Quick! Let's duck down behind the table! I don't wanna die! What? What's that? Oh, a way to escape. Hey! What? Calm down. We need to search this place and find the key, okay? You get it? Alright, I'm gonna search over here. Okay, I'll be brave. Alright, let's see if that key is around here somewhere. Not in this basket. Or in this candle. Oh wait, under the skull! Excuse me, sir. Ta-da! I've got it. Wasn't hard to find at all. But you know what? Maybe I'll just tuck it in here for now. She needs to confront her fears a little bit, I think. This place is so creepy! How am I supposed to find anything? Ugh, I hate spiderwebs and skulls. Gross. So creepy! I can't even look. It's too scary. Okay, there's no key there. Icky. Maybe I should go over here. Ah! Ew! I hate that mask! Aw, look at that bird. He's kinda cute. Ah! Oh my gosh! Even the bird is freaky. Ew! Spider! Ah! Skull! Okay, well, maybe it'll just be behind this couch. Ah! There's a whole bone man back there! We're never gonna get out of here. So bored. Hey, there's a can of chips over here. Nice. Hey, look what I found. You want some of these? Yeah. I mean, I guess I could have a snack. Here, they'll give you energy to continue looking. Yeah, you're probably right. I can just… No. I hate this place! I really don't want to be here at all anymore. Wait a second. Oh, she's had the key all along. So bratty and sneaky. I'll just be taking this key. Yoink! Now it's my turn to pocket this key and hide it away. Okay, well, I give up. I can't find the key anywhere. We're stuck. Yeah, I guess. Oh my gosh. The key! It's missing! You just relax a bit. Now she can scurry around and freak out some. Where did the key go? It's gotta be around here somewhere. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Is this what you're looking for? The key, perhaps? Ugh, she's the worst. Alright, get out of here, spiderwebs. I need to access this door. Time to leave this spooky place behind. Finally, back home! I thought we'd never get back here. Yeah, well, whatever. I just kinda like this spooky place. Ugh, get out of here, bug. Go away. Hiya! I'm gonna get you. You're gonna regret messing with me. I'm gonna use my ninja skills to take you down. Come at me, bro. Let's do this. I can do this all day. Do what all day? What are you doing over there? Why don't you just use this bug spray instead? Oops, sorry. Hey, where did it go? Ah! Whoa, we're outside now. In the great outdoors. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. Ugh! Bugs! So many bugs! Run! It's pretty nice out here, but I have no idea how to get home. There's really nothing out here but trees and shrubs and stuff. Wait, I have a phone. It can tell me which way to go. Looks like it's this way. And of course what I really meant was this way. Ah! Bugs! I hate bugs! I hate being outside because of bugs! Gotta keep running. There has to be a way out of here somewhere. What the heck? Where even am I? Just gotta keep trekking on to find my way home. Die, bugs! Get away from me! Just gotta go over this rock here. Let's see. I don't know now. Maybe my phone isn't actually helping. I don't think I can rely on this anymore. What's this on the ground right here? No way! It's a map! It's a map of this place! What's that noise? Oh, she's up in the tree behind me. Hey, be careful! Don't fall on me! Okay, well now that I have this map, maybe I can navigate out. So around this tree and around this one too. Ouch! Huh? Oh, I hit a tree. I don't think this is supposed to be here. Guess I better just go around it or something. Huh? What the heck is that over there? I'm gonna need my binoculars to check it out. Oh my gosh, she's still freaking out about the bugs. Well, maybe the binoculars will help me find a way out. Huh? What's that? Is that guy dusting the trees? But wait! He probably knows how to get out of here! Hey! Hi! I have this map. Can you show me how to get home? I came from over there first, but I've also tried over here too. Is she with you? I'll take care of that. There. Done. Are you kidding me? Hey, can I have those? This totally isn't working! I swear she's being so annoying! 1 second. There! The bug is taken care of, so knock it off! Okay, so can you show me on the map? Ah, I see. You're from the upstairs. Let me help you get out of here. Is he like a magician or something? Is that a portal? Bro? What was that? I don't get it. Look up. That's how you'll get home. Oh, okay. Let's go! Well, back to my tree dusting, I guess. Ugh. I have to draw a card again. Hey! Wait! No way! Check this out! I totally win! Take that, you loser! Ugh. Fine. Whatever. You're coming with me down here! Oh, a beach. This is kinda nice, I guess. Don't you think? Ow! Don't point. And no, I don't think. I hate sand and now it's in my face. Though, I do like a dry heat. Stop! It's hitting my face now! Wow. That was a pretty big gust of wind. At least it didn't mess up my hair too much. Yeah, well, I'm happy for you, I guess. Ooh, yikes. That's a lot of sand. Whoa! Hey look! No more beach. Now we're in a city. Hey, what the heck? Where did you even get that hat? Ew! Pigeons! Get out of here, birds! Hey, that's mean! Stop scaring them! They'll freak out! Oh no! No. There's so many of them! They're coming right for us! Huh. Something on my hat? Oh, it's feathers. Nice. Oh, I want a feather. Oh, gross. Ooh, that's rough. Yeah, it's all over your eye. It's still there. On your face. You missed a little. Oh, hey. Look at this place. What a view. I can't see anything. It's raining all over me. That's weird. It looks like it's just raining on you. Well, let me come over here with you then. Hey, I don't want to get sunburned. Get out of here. Ugh, how is this even fair? I hate this. Oh, we're home. Oh, you look rough. How would you get out of the endless woods? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.